Have you ever found yourself stuck with no Wi-Fi or data, but you're craving your favorite songs? It could be super frustrating, right? So don't worry, because today I'm going to show you exactly how to enjoy your music offline on Spotify so that you never have to worry about missing a beat again. So first, let's talk about Spotify Premium. This plan lets you download music directly to your phone so you can listen anywhere, anytime without using data. Next, we're going to go step by step on how to download songs, albums, and playlists. So simply open up your Spotify app, find the music that you love, and hit that download button. It's super easy. Another great tip is to use the offline mode. This setting makes sure that Spotify only plays your downloaded songs and keeps your phone from using data. You can also organize your music by creating custom playlists, making it easy to find what you love. So don't forget, you can also download podcasts for offline listening, all right? And by the way, if you're not on the premium plan, listening to podcasts is real simple. There's unlimited, it's amazing. So are you ready to take control of your music? Hit that like button, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome tips. Happy listening. Thanks for stopping by. Love ya.